Now here's an engine I've never seen in a museum in flight before. It's some strange flat 6 engine. Let me get by. Anyone you two can help me out what this is, I greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, definitely needs an overhaul. It looks like it's an engine out of a tank. That's how the shaft is. Close up of the pistons. And that needs to be overhauled. I'm wondering if it's got 4 plugs a cylinder. Let's take my camcorder underneath. Maybe I can shine some light. I don't know. What is it? It's a fan. I think this is a helicopter engine or tank, or I don't know. There's your exhaust pipe. There's another one that's busted. That's okay. So hope you enjoy the video. Have a great day.